Hey guys, RTX Killer here. Today we're gonna be playing some Infinite Warfare, and I don't care about the dang update. I'm just gonna be playing maybe one match, depends on how long it takes. I'm gonna be playing Infected, maybe one or two. So, yeah. Are you kidding me? Too much restarts. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. There we go. Double XP and epic gun game. So you can see I'm on level 30. I just started the Subray Team 7 today. What level do I have to be on to? There it is. Level 45. Okay.
Heading to target.
Hey, you know, I was just about to pick that map. Here we go. Oh, this is something new. Usually we use shotguns, but now we're using the FHR-40. This is something new. So what's the other gun then? Is this the only gun we got? This is the only gun we got. Okay then. I was just about to get him, but okay. Oh, 5 people already infected? Huh. Holy crap! This gun's fast and good. This gun's pretty good. Huh? Oh crap. What? He should have been dead. Well, I guess I'll take an assist. I mean, What? No idea where he was. Play one more match. Then... Oh wow, he was right there and I never saw him.
Mission success. Running diagnostics.
Where was the mission focus, Saber Team? Command has sent over new orders.
What they were repping. Huh. Pew pew. I don't like how their procedures are just guns, weapons, grenades, bullets. And I completed a lot of soul challenges. Oh, I can tell you guys one thing right now. By how short this map is, it's gonna go quick.
Infected.
Oh my gosh. Oh man.
New mission. Survive at all costs.
Oh, that was quick. $40 too cheap. Holy crap, holy crap, holy crap. Sokka, I don't even know if he was going after me or him. Whoa, wow! Oh my gosh, are you freaking kidding me?
Target in the open.
Oh, Sokka. Shaving cream. What the heck did I say shaving cream? Oh, not for sure. You gotta be freaking kidding me. Dude, I'm honestly doing way worse on this. Oh, there it is. Are you freaking kidding me? See, now if that dumb one didn't get him, I probably would have gotten him. Huh. Oh, great, now I have to wait till... Ah, never mind. Well, Well, thank you all for watching, and make sure to go check out Arctic X Killer and Arctic X Migrant, and see you in the next video.